Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and do a steering wheel install on a Mustang 2017. The part number for this non-LED steering wheel is going to be vz101788. This steering wheel right here has regular carbon fiber with black Alcantara and blue stitching with a blue 12 o'clock ring. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. Take off loosen up the bolt. We're gonna go ahead and take off the airbag. We're gonna go to these two little holes right behind the steering wheel with an Allen key. We're just gonna go ahead and insert this into the hole and pop off the airbag. So we have popped off one side. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side. So now we have popped off the airbag. We're gonna go ahead and remove the harness from the steering wheel. Wait, where's my little... Oh, the airbag is off. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the harness from the back of the steering wheel. And then that should be all. After that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the torque. We're gonna go ahead and remove the center bolt. Once that is removed, we should be able to pull off the steering wheel. We're gonna wiggle the steering wheel up and down so we could just take it off. Now we're gonna proceed in taking off all the bolts to transfer this to the carbon fiber steering wheel. So we're gonna start by taking off all of these bolts. Try to remember that all of these are black, the rest seem to be all silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead to pop this out. And this is for you, Leon. Whee! So now you're gonna go ahead and take off this bracket. After you do that, you're gonna pop this off, and you have more bolts in there. You're gonna take off that bolt. take this off. We're gonna take off this one. And we're done. OEM steering wheel for sale. No, I was kidding. So I'm gonna start putting the weight back into the carbon fiber steering wheel. Alright, so there's 2 holes in here, as you can see. The Alcantara is covering it, so we're just gonna go ahead and trim it down just a little bit, just so we could have enough clearance. Don't worry though, you're gonna go ahead and cover this with the frame of the buttons. Nothing of this is gonna be visible. It's just to make the process easier. I'm just gonna go ahead and reconnect the buttons with its harness. So aqua with aqua, gray with gray. Now we're just gonna go ahead and bolt the lower buttons first with the 2 black bolts that go on here. These 2 are gonna go ahead and align in here. We're just gonna press it in. As you can see, it literally looks seamless. You have no gap. You see nothing. You'll do the same on the other side. Just press it in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put back this bracket into the back of on the top of the steering wheel. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt the bolts back on. It's ready.
How long was that? Like 20 minutes?
I was like 15 minutes. What are you talking about? And don't forget to take off these from your OEM steering wheel. Make sure you do this before you put in your airbag. So we're just gonna go ahead and put back the steering wheel to the car. Now we can go driving without an airbag. Weight reduction. Just gonna go ahead and connect back the harness to the back of the steering wheel. Yeah, they will put an airbag. You're gonna put the bolt back into the center of the steering wheel. Put it in with your hand first. And then you bring the bad boy and then you put it in. We. Very good. You grab your airbag. You put the harness back in. Sorry guys, it's been a long 8 hours, you know, working on the steering wheel. If you go to your body shop and they tell you they're gonna take that long, they're lying. Well, this is the moment of truth that if your airbag is gonna go ahead and click back in place. That's it, we're done. So that's it guys, it's a wrap. We're done installing the non-LED steering wheel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, leave comments below. Any questions, please let us know. Now can we go for a ride? And of course, look, it's stick shift, so here we go.